Mark, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Hi,
you.
Jade.
Nice
Hi.
to meet you,
Nice to meet you as well.
How are you guys
Great.
tonight? Today we're gonna do a nice little taco salad. Who is the chopper? Who is,
He's
chopper.
just the chef, period.
He's the, okay.
I'm the taster.
Yes. Okay.
Usually he's the chef.
Okay.
We're gonna stick with those roles today.
So, to get started, we are going to do some dicing of a little bit of onion. So how long have you guys been engaged?
Almost a year.
So,
Right?
all right,
Yes.
so congratulations.
Thank you
That
so
is
much.
awesome. We're gonna cut up some yellow bell pepper, top and the bottom. There you go. So we're gonna do the same thing with the red bell pepper.
You're the chopper. Or the julienner. Well, those aren't julienne.
So while he is doing the red bell pepper, put on a pair of gloves. And we'll just take the skin off of the chicken and we can start shredding some of that chicken and putting it right into the bowl. Shred it up real good.
We want this dark meat too.
Absolutely,
Oh, yeah,
because
we
it's
got-
moist.
Yes, we want the juicy.
Yeah. Okay, so while she's working on the chicken, I'm gonna have you do the tomato.
Tomato, let's do
Yeah,
it.
so we're gonna do it the same way that you did the bell pepper. So we're gonna dice those and that's gonna go right into the bowl. Who does most of the cooking at home?
He does. Like I said,
Good
I'm
job.
the taster.
Uh-huh.
When
Yeah.
we first met, she made me the driest
Oh.
chicken breast, stuffed chicken breast of all time. I was literally dipping it in water
Oh, it was
to
bad.
put it down.
Oh, it was. It's
Yeah.
kind of ironic that we're working with chicken today because
Very
literally, I tried. Oh
like
my
she
gosh.
cooked that chicken to hell.
Oh,
like that
it
chicken
was-
died 3 times.
It was literally.
Add your jalapeños into your bowl. The last thing we do is crumble up some queso fresco cheese.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I'm
Cool.
gonna pass that down to you. Add a little bit of the black beans into this bowl, but we don't want all the juice in there.
Got it.
We're gonna add a little bit of love of these olives.
Add them if just a little
Just
bit.
put a little bit.
Nice little salty.
Tear just a couple leaves of and we're just gonna pluck the leaves just like
Okay,
this.
cool.
If you're trying to eliminate carbs,
Yeah.
you know, you could do like a
A
taco
wrap
bowl
situation?
with that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could just,
Because it's
you
got a little bit
know,
of structure to it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You know, just put it in your bowl like this. We're just gonna add a little bit of the enchilada sauce. We got a lot of chicken in it. Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
We'll start with that. Yeah.
All right.
And then we can add all of this yogurt in there.
Oh, look at you, girl.
Get a nice mix in there.
Take my lettuce.
Make it beautiful. But you gotta taste it.
You
You gotta taste it.
Taste test. Taste
Yeah.
test.
That salad looks
Right?
beautiful.
This is my little flour taco
And
salad.
that looks beautiful.
Right.
All right, gassing her up.
All right. Is that a good fan? I'm not sure. Cheese meat.
Hey.
Yes.
Good job. Bam.
I am so
You did
proud
it.
of y'all.
Here we go. It's good. Very good.
And I'm not missing the taco,
See?
honestly.
There you go.
Cheers.
Cheers.
For great food.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Tink, tink,
Tink,
tink.
Hi, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to check out our channel for new videos every week. The subscribe button, it's up there.